Hi, my name is Matt Pills, app developer and founder of Linked Pixel LLC. I have enjoyed creating applications for a variety of platforms and devices over the past decade, including apps for Intel's latest hardware lineup through several generous competitions that Intel has sponsored. For Phase 2 of the Perceptual Computing Challenge, I developed a new gesture-based app known as Move and Play. This app provides a gradual and entertaining introduction to the gesture and hand tracking capabilities available on the Creative Camera. In keeping with the spirit of perceptual computing, all aspects of this app can be controlled directly with the user's hands. Upon launching Move and Play, the title screen will present several main menu options. The app includes 3 distinct modules, each of which embraces a unique aspect of Intel's Perceptual Camera SDK. To begin interacting with the application, move your primary hand into the view of the camera, palm forward with your fingers outstretched. When the software detects your hand, a corresponding cursor will appear on the screen. The location of your hand directly correlates to the position of the on-screen icon. When the cursor comes in contact with any of the 3 menu options, the selected option will be highlighted. To activate an option, hover over it with your hand open. Next, close your hand so that the cursor likewise closes, and then open up your fist once more to confirm the selection. The first choice, Collect 'em, is a simplistic game of dexterity that involves picking up chips and dropping them in the corresponding containers as quickly as possible. The mechanics are similar to the way that the title screen options are selected. To start, hover your open hand over the token in the center of the screen. When you are ready to begin, close your fingers to virtually grab hold of the chip. With your fingers still closed, move your hand over the bowl that matches the token's color until it lights up. When lit, release the chip quickly by snapping your hand wide open. Assuming you drop the chip in the proper bowl, the corresponding counter will increase, as will your overall score. After accumulating 5 tokens in the same colored bowl, you will receive 5 additional seconds of game time from the original 25 seconds. The bar at the bottom of the screen indicates your remaining time. When the bar has completely diminished, the game will end. From the dialog box, you will be able to retry the same game or exit to the title screen. Select your desired option in the same manner as you did previously by closing and opening your hand over the option. Back on the title screen, let's now select the second option titled Match It. Match It is the classic game of memory retention, with a perceptual twist. This game requires the use of both hands. With the primary hand already being tracked and with its palm facing the camera, bring your other hand into view until a second cursor appears. To start, move both hands so that their cursors rest on top of the respective placeholders in the center of the screen. The app will quickly collaborate your hands in relation to their distance from the camera. For best results, keep your hands parallel and close to your body, about 2.5 to 3 feet in front of the camera. After the collaboration is complete, the game will kick off with one of the 4 objects lighting up and playing a note. Now it's your turn to repeat the pattern. Hover one of your hands over the correct object, and then thrust your hand forward to activate it. Once the object lights up and plays a tone, pull your hand back to complete the move. If successful, the pattern will repeat with an additional component added. Carefully watch the playthrough, and then mirror the new pattern using each hand where appropriate. After successfully completing each pattern, your score will increase by 1. As the game progresses, you will also see patterns consisting of 2 objects lit at the same time. You must complete such patterns using both hands at once. When you get a pattern wrong, the game will end and you can retry or return to the main menu. The final product available from within Move and Play is Magic Doodlepad, a perceptual drawing application developed initially during Phase 1 of this competition. This version has been enhanced to work with the latest Perceptual Computing SDK, along with other enhancements. With your palm open, move your primary hand's crosshair over the desired menu option. A circle will begin filling. Keep your hand still for a moment to confirm the selection. The drawing screen includes an assortment of bold colors, unique brushes, symmetry options, and action items. You can move the cursor around the screen without drawing by keeping your hand wide open. To begin drawing, close your hand, leaving only the index finger outstretched towards the ceiling. To stop, open your hand again. You may also use your second hand in the same manner to draw another stroke simultaneously. Hover over the New option to clear the canvas, Save option to export the image to your gallery, or Exit to return to the Magic Doodlepad main menu. On the gallery screen, you can enlarge any image by closing your primary hand and then snapping it open while hovering over the desired image. You can return to the title screen by selecting Exit. To exit the app, use the X cursor in the top center. I hope you enjoy this app and the exciting possibilities of perceptual computing.